I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it, no kidding. Breaking down a swish in front of your building. Sitting on the steps feeling no feelings. Last night it was a cold killing. You gotta keep the devil in his hole, nigga. But you know how it go, nigga. I'm front line every time it's on, nigga. 100 pro flow, run and shoot pro. 458 drop, playing bulletproof soul.
They can't hold me cause I'm shooting like Ginobili and I'm ballin' like a Kobe. That mean I'm ballin' like a Laker and I'm shooting like a Pacer. Lil' bro smoking out of vapor. DGK like I'm a skater.
What's going on, guys? Got some pretty cool projects I'm working on this year for 2018. Want you guys to know cool stuff working on. That's the crows. I don't know if you can see them. You can hear them. Pretty big. Kind of got me stumbled up. Just not trying to get attacked. But yeah, got me some cool projects going on 2018. So you guys know, be on standout. Stay tuned. Look for them to come. Anthony Cotton got some great stuff to come, man. With my own sauce, dabbling into it. Got my audio book showcasing. Working on an app, video sharing app that lets you compile videos or group videos together to send out that special message, and really working on that and having that ideal brainstorming kind of sitting for a few years. So I really want to be able to get that up and running this year. So I'm going to be working on the app, the audio book. I'm going to be working on the podcast. So stay tuned to keep an eye out for me on the podcast dropping this year. What else? Stay tuned for more vlogging videos I have upcoming. What else? Besides all my service projects and logo design projects and stuff like that, besides that, I'm going to be working on a lot of projects, branching out, working on a new store. That's the sun. On a new store, Way of Cotton. Be sure to check that out. wayofcotton.com. It's coming soon. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. When I say fantastic, fantastic. What you guys do is go on the back end and just go to Shopify. Once you go to Shopify, you're going to create your Shopify account. Once you go create your Shopify account, this is for beginners, intermediate web developers, web designers. Doesn't really matter if you web savvy, not web savvy, computer savvy, not computer savvy. But Google search Shopify. Once you Google search Shopify, what you're gonna do from there is do their step-by-step, register in your e-commerce store. Register your e-commerce store from A to Z. Search for you some products, do you some product research, see what products that's selling out there, see what products that's trending out there, see what just products that's just doing really good out there, so you're just not wasting your time on BS products and products that's not getting as much high vision. So like I said, check out Shopify. Once you do check out Shopify, buy the domain name, get your product research, product images up there, description up there, pricing up there, contact wholesalers, reach out to AliExpress, and just go from there. Really amazing business model. Amazing business model. Shopify. And just sell. Shop for products, $2, $3, $4 that's in fashion, trending, or whatever the case may be, and then mark up your price from there, and then arbitrage. Keep on doing it. Reach out to some Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and post. Target audience to the certain people that's needing your product and services, and just post and just go from there. So I wanted to get in this quick video with you guys. As you guys know, my projects for 2018. Anthony Cotton Jr. projects for 2018, baby. Stay tuned, and hope you guys got some projects this year too as well. Drop them in my comments below. Let me know what you guys working on, so we can just pretty much hold each other accountable on our journey. As we get kind of sidetracked, distractions come, but our end goal is to finish the project and get it out there. So drop a comment below and let me know what you guys excited about working on this year. Till then, drop by Instagram, Cotton Tips Online, and say what up to you, boy. Peace.